Jessica and welcome to the kitchen. I know I'm not in my art room, but today is an exciting day because I will be showing you guys how to make 3 different types of fried rice. First is going to be a Chinese fried rice, the second a Korean fried rice, and the third Japanese fried rice. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so right now I have my cold jasmine rice that I cooked yesterday and left in the fridge, and this is my green onions. So the white ones are better for cooking and then the green ones are better for garnish. My onions, garlic, I have my ginger paste over there, and my peas and diced carrots, along with chicken and Chinese sausage. The Chinese sausage will give the fried rice a bit of sweet and saltiness. So let's get started. Let's get cooking. So I'm gonna take my olive oil, open it, I'm gonna put it right here, and as you can see, it is not turned on yet, but I'm gonna turn it on. Right here. With this, I'm gonna use the olive oil to heat up the pan. There you go. And then I'm gonna take the meat. You're always gonna wanna cook the meat first because it usually takes the longest to like fully cook through. And you're not gonna need a lot of oil for this because the sausage will provide a lot of oil due to lots of fat contained. I also have a bit of chicken, not a lot, just to add a bit of protein. So you want all of this to fully cook through. Now I'm gonna add my onions. And then my garlic. Green onions, just to give it a little bit of a flavor. And then my peas and carrots. I want a lot of these. And then you're just gonna stir fry them together on low heat until all the vegetables are a little soft and charred. I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger paste. Perfect. Not a lot because ginger can be overpowering, so don't put too much. So I've already seasoned the egg with salt, pepper, and then I added a bit of heavy whipping cream to just help it be more fluffy. And I'll just pour it right into the middle. You don't need a lot of eggs if you don't like a lot. So what you're gonna do, once you see the sides cooking, you're just gonna wanna move it a bit. And you're just gonna wait for it to curdle. You can always add a bit more egg if you want more. Now I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna add my white rice. This is dark soy sauce, but you can use light soy sauce if you want. And note to self, dark soy sauce is for color, light soy sauce is for flavor. So you're just gonna pour it around. You don't want it in the center, you wanna go around. And then mix. And then this is fried chili oil. It's called laugaima. And basically you can put it on anything. It tastes so good. It's so good in fried rice. This is what it looks like. It's a lot scarier when you're looking at it like this, but trust me, it tastes delicious. Side like this. So our second fried rice is Korean kimchi fried rice. So we have our basic ingredients of onions, green onions, ginger, garlic, but now we have gochujang paste, which is chili red pepper paste, and you have soy sauce and kimchi juice along with sesame oil in here, and this is Spam, kimchi, and baby bell mushrooms. And right now, instead of making scrambled eggs, we're actually gonna put a sunny side egg on top of our fried rice. So let's get started. Lay it on top, like so. So green onions, sesame seeds, and seaweed. The green onions, we're just gonna and with our sesame seeds, just gonna gently take a sheet, crumple it around, pop it. We're making Japanese fried rice this time, but it's not technically called Japanese fried rice. It's called omurice, which translates to omelet rice. Basically, this very ketchup-y, tasty fried rice and omelet. And I will have onions, flat bits of my green onion, garlic, ginger paste, chicken for protein, and these are the garnishes. So this is a demi-glaze sauce that I will have to reduce. And this is actually a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and mayonnaise. It's typically, it's sort of similar to Japanese mayonnaise, which they kind of put on like dressing on salads and stuff, and you can also put it on omurice. So let's get started. Because we're not only just using soy sauce, we're also using ketchup. Okay, so right now I am heating up the pan to make the omelet. So I want to make sure the oil is all heated up. And that the pan is ready and hot. We're ready. While your eggs cooking like this, you're gonna get your fried rice. Place it in the middle. It on top of your fried rice. Hold it. Careful to hold it tightly. Flip over. Well, and voila, you're done. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And remember, fried rice is anything you want it to be. You can put anything you want. If you don't like carrots or peas, put zucchinis or water chestnut. There's so many types of ways on how you can make fried rice. Don't be afraid to go out there and cook and experiment with different types of flavors. I hope you guys love watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!